nothing we can do right now, guys. If we look at this, the market is ridiculous. It's 90-cent credit bid offered at $2.95. Obviously, we have to wait for these markets to tighten up a little bit here. Again, this is all going to be based off of the call side. Okay, what implied vol are our March 15th 46 calls going to be trading at, and also where is the stock price? Come on, Amba, stay up there. I mean, I could put an exit out there for 45 cents right now or something like that, but it really would be just more a crapshoot, more a shot in the dark. There we go. Come on. But I am going to have ready an exit signal. And again, guys, the exit signal I send out, okay, the exit signal I send out is only going to be on the call side of the strangle swap. We don't care at this point on the put side. And there's no reason to rack up extra commissions to trade the put side.